Hey guys, that's just this cool little technique I found out so that you can use heat shrink, but without it, by just using duct tape. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so it's kind of dark, but this is how you're going to do it. So pretend this is my wire. I've done it on like actual wires, it works just fine. Also, I'm not a professional, so, you know, don't take every word from me correct. I might not know what I'm saying, so you're gonna get your duct tape, you're gonna set it on your wires, and you're just gonna lightly and loosely wrap it around. You don't need to do it tight because you need to get it room to shrink. Towards you don't have to, and you're just gonna. So now that you've gotten that all good, don't touch it immediately. It is kind of hot plastic, but it's now a lot nicer and fits a lot better. But this is a better example. You can touch it, but it fits very good on it. Hope this helps.